5 Best Dehumidifiers. Here is the product number 5 by INVITOP Portable Dehumidifier. Brand name, INVITOP. Dehumidification volume, 1.1L/H. Fan speed, 80mm x 80mm brushless motor. Dimensions LXWXH inches 8.66 x 5.71 x 4.7 inches. Model number, none. Power W500W. Working temperature range, other. Certification, CECB. Here is the product number 425W Mini Ultra Quiet. Name, Dehumidifier. Model centimeters 800. Material, ABS plastic. Input voltage 220V 240V/50 Hz. Output voltage DC9V. Power 25W. Desiccant 200 300ml/24H. Color, black and red. Size 165*125*. Here is the product number 3 Excelvan 500ml Home Air. Brand name, Excelvan. Coverage area square feet 10 to 20. Model number, Excelvan 608. Dehumidification volume, 1.1L/H. Fan speed, as shown. Certification, Roser CELCB. Dehumidifying technology, compressor. Function, removable water. Here is the product number 2 INVITOP Mini Dehumidifier. Brand name, INVITOP. Dehumidification volume, 1.1L/H. Fan speed, 80mm x 80mm brushless motor. Dimensions LXWXH inches 8.66 x 5.71 x 4.7 inches. Model number, none. Power W500W. Working temperature range, other. Certification, CECB. Here is the product number 1 Excelvan Dehumidifier Air. Brand name, Excelvan. Model number, Excelvan 608. Dehumidification volume, 1.1L/H. Coverage area square feet 10 to 20 square meters. Fan speed, as shown. Certification, Roser CELCB. Capacity pints/24H 500ml. Dehumidifying technology, compressor.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like. Comment and share.